Cowork is the second flavor of Claude. So what's good about Cowork? It is much more autonomous than chat. Chat is purely reactive. You ask it something, it gives you some answer, but that's pretty much it. For Claude Cowork, it gives you much more. It gives you files, and also it gives you some of the coolest things like scheduled reports or scheduled queries, anything, and live artifacts. You can have projects here as well, and I suggest you do. And when you go to projects and create new project, you can select import a project that you've made in chat, which is very cool because some parts of the memory will be shared. Okay, I also have, you see, the project with the same name. And then there are these scheduled queries. Scheduled queries are very, very cool. I will show you one. So this is the briefing with our funnel data, and what is scheduled task? It is in fact a skill that has a schedule, and as you can see, it has some name, which is the skill name, and then description, and then the skill text itself, and then when it runs. So to create a scheduled task, you just ask Claude Cowork, help me to create scheduled task. It will ask you some questions, or if you already know what it is that you want to do, just give it to it. And let me just show you one of the older ones as an example. So this is how the Cowork chat looks like. It is a bit different. You see it has runs or to-dos. If you're doing something, it has some progress. It has some instructions, which is Claude MD more advanced thing than just project instructions, and some context that it found underway. So what is cool about instructions as Claude MD, and specifically about Cowork? You can assign a local folder on your computer or a shared folder on the internet, so that Claude would save files there and read files from there as well. And this is a much needed addition to chat, actually. So Claude Cowork can also spawn agents. Agents are instances of large language model that can use tools and skills in a loop until they will reach the goal. So for each agent, you should set a realistic goal, otherwise it will run until all of your tokens will be burned. And then you give it skills and you give it tools. So this is a Claude Cowork scheduled tasks, and also there are live artifacts. So yeah, it might take a couple of retries for us to refresh the data for it, but basically, oh, it refreshed already. Last run 19 minutes ago. So this is the fresh data. What are the live artifacts? These are persistent HTML pages that have MCP queries underneath. So this is very easy, and you can have them in whatever design that you would like to. This is just my design that I'm using. So you can ask again Claude to create live artifact for you, and you will have a very nice HTML that would live here, and you can refresh data anytime you want. And when you will open it, it will also show you the freshest data, because when you open it, it runs those MCP queries that are underneath, and it gets the fresh data for you. So for our Coupler.io dashboards, this is a game changer, because previously, if you were creating artifacts, they were not live and you needed to connect new data all the time. Now you can do this with just a click. And what is also cool is you can download it as PDF. Unfortunately, there is no way, or at least I haven't found a way to share it. These are versions, and you can reload it and pin and download as PDF, but maybe in artifacts you can, you see, for now I think you cannot share them, but maybe they will add it as well.